What up, what up, what up, Chopper Fat peoples? I am Brett, and we are going to talk about more motorcycle stuff because that's what this channel is really all about. What? Kind of maybe a sensitive subject today for a lot of the community, but is motovlogging dead? Let's roll the intro and let's talk about it. Hey everyone, glad to have you back with us here today. Kind of a weird thoughts kind of going through my head. Like, is motovlogging still something? Is it still something that people are actually interested in?
Boring.
You could call it what you want. You could call it the YouTube burnout, the writer's block, all that kind of fun stuff, but
Tell that to my Adderall, Chris. Now let's get this show on the road and off the rails.
yeah, kind of in reality, it's really, really tough for me to make a motovlog anymore. Even though that's like the staple of what my channel actually is. And the reasoning behind that is because they're so easy to make. Not a lot of time and effort go into these anymore. I got to the point where they're almost routine. It's almost like it's like the mundane task that your boss gives you up at work to keep you busy. That's kind of what these have become for me. And I'm not trying to say that there's not a place for them, because there definitely is. Just like today, I wanted to talk to you on the motorcycle. But how many people are still watching these types of videos? I only have 2 cameras here, so I'm a little limited. I don't have the drone, I don't have a 360, so I'm really kind of limited to what you're seeing here today. Is that enough of a change of scenery in order to keep your attention? Or is it simply the subject matter that's keeping your attention? I'll start with myself as far as what I watch when I'm on YouTube. It's harder to watch just standard vlogs. And some of you guys have some really good ones out there. I'm not trying to say that they're not good and they're not entertaining, but it's the same thing that we see day in and day out as motovloggers. Motovlogging has been around for what, 10 years at this point in time, give or take. And almost every subject that you can think of, everything that you could think about talking about on a motorcycle has been discussed. Even this exact topic has probably been discussed multiple times on videos already. It's just the nature of the beast when it comes to being a motovlogist. For me, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get out of a rut. I'm trying to get out of the same old, and that's why you've seen a couple different styled videos lately. And I really, really enjoy them. But at the same time, those take a lot more effort and a lot more time to put out. I can't do those on a weekly basis. It's just not feasible, given at least what my home life and situation is. I want to do more of those type of videos. I have probably 5 or 6 of them storyboarded out. But the time it takes to shoot all of that, all the different angles, getting just this right, just that right, it takes a lot of work, a lot of time. But I don't want to really quit what I'm doing. I want to keep doing this because it's my best excuse to go ride. Like even today when I have the whole morning off, and I'm thinking, maybe I won't go do motovlogging. I wasn't feeling motivated. And then, you kind of start thinking about it and like, okay, yeah, I'm motivated. Let's go film. I want to do so much more, but there's just not enough time. I don't know how the Casey Neistats and the McKinnons of the world do what they do with their short clips and how they can really make it look like a movie. I just don't get how they can do that with the family. Well, yeah, I do. It's their job. I could probably go out and shoot a video per day, edit it in an 8-hour span, and that would be like me working for the day. I could do that, but I don't make any money off of YouTube, so I can't afford to have 2 jobs with 1 salary. It's just not gonna happen for me. But really the point of this video here, and we're gonna keep it short and sweet today, because I'm more looking for feedback than anything, but what is your guys' opinions on motovlogs? Are you still following all of them? Do you still even follow the same ones you used to follow way back when? I mean, for me, if I have the choice between something that's shot in a unique format versus a motovlog, I might probably click on the unique format. And if I have time, I might come back and catch those people who are doing just the standard motovlog. And I hope you're doing the same thing for me, really, too. I'm not trying to say I'm better than anyone else. I want to be in that same category where if you don't feel like the subject matter or that the motovlog is entertaining, then by all means, you know, you don't have to watch. You know, I try to support those who definitely support me. I will watch those videos as much as I can, and I think if everyone knows that when we get to, you know, supporting so many like people, it's hard to watch every single video, but we do our best. So with that being said, go ahead and drop a comment below with what you kind of think the state of motovlogging is, and what you would like to see either out of my channel or out of channels in general. Maybe we could use this as a springboard for everyone's growth on YouTube. But with that being said, I'm going to go and cut it, and I will catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fett will catch you on the next one. See ya.